In the bustling city of Metropolis, there was a renowned company called Innovatech, known for its cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions. At the helm of Innovatech was CEO Mr. Rohan Mehta, the visionary leader, a man admired for his foresight and leadership. However, the company faced a crisis that would test the very core of its management. One day, Innovatech's top project, a revolutionary AI software, hit a major roadblock. The development team couldn't seem to solve a critical issue that halted progress. As days turned into weeks, frustration grew among the employees, and the atmosphere in the office became tense. The management team, known for their competence, was baffled. Despite their best efforts, they couldn't pinpoint the problem, and deadlines were slipping. Realizing the gravity of the situation, Mr. Mehta decided to call an emergency meeting with his key executives. Among them were Anika Sharma, the analytical thinker, the CFO known for her sharp mind and attention to detail, Vikram Singh, the operational maestro, the COO who excelled in executing plans, and Sara Malik, the creative spark, the CMO known for her innovative marketing strategies. As the meeting began, Mr. Mehta addressed his team. "We've always prided ourselves on being ahead of the curve, but now, we're stuck. This project is critical to our future, and we need to find a solution." He paused, looking around the room. "I believe the answer lies within our team, but we need a fresh perspective." Inspired by an old parable, Mr. Mehta proposed an unconventional solution. He handed each executive a small, seemingly ordinary puzzle piece. Confused, they looked at him, waiting for an explanation. "This puzzle," Mr. Mehta explained, "represents our current situation. Each of you holds a piece of the solution, but you can't see the whole picture from where you stand. Your task is to figure out how these pieces fit together. You have 2 days." The executives, puzzled but intrigued, took their pieces and left the room. Each retreated to their respective teams, sharing the challenge with them. The office buzzed with activity as everyone brainstormed, trying to make sense of the puzzle piece they had. Anika, the analytical thinker, analyzed the shape and texture of her piece, searching for patterns and connections. Vikram, the operational maestro, gathered his team to brainstorm possible scenarios and strategies, focusing on practical solutions. Sara, the creative spark, encouraged her team to think outside the box, exploring unconventional ideas. 2 days later, the executives reconvened in the boardroom, each carrying their puzzle piece. They placed their pieces on the table, but to their surprise, the pieces didn't fit together. The room fell silent, and a sense of frustration began to build. Just then, Mr. Mehta entered the room with a smile. "I see the pieces don't fit yet," he said. "But that's the point. In management, as in life, we often focus too narrowly on our own piece of the puzzle. We fail to see the bigger picture." He then brought out the remaining pieces from a box and laid them on the table. "This," he continued, "is the whole puzzle. It's a map of our company, with each piece representing a department or function. To solve the problem, we need to see how each piece, each department, each person, fits into the larger picture. As they work together to assemble the puzzle, the executives began to see connections they hadn't noticed before. Anika's financial insights, Vikram's operational strategies, and Sara's creative ideas all started to interlock, forming a cohesive picture. They realized that the issue with the AI software wasn't just a technical problem but also involved communication gaps, resource allocation, and a need for a unified vision. With the complete puzzle in front of them, they saw the true nature of the problem and devised a comprehensive strategy to overcome it. They integrated their diverse perspectives, aligned their efforts, and communicated openly. The project soon regained momentum, and the team resolved the critical issues. In the end, Innovatech not only successfully launched the AI software but also emerged stronger as a team. The experience taught them that in management, the key to overcoming challenges lies in understanding the bigger picture, valuing diverse perspectives, and fostering collaboration. Lesson: the story of The Unseen Puzzle illustrates a vital lesson for management. True leadership involves seeing beyond individual contributions and understanding how each part fits into the whole. It emphasizes the importance of collaboration, open communication, and a unified vision. Leaders must not only focus on their own departments but also see the company's overall strategy, ensuring that all pieces work together seamlessly. This holistic approach is essential for navigating complex challenges and achieving long-term success.